Tutorial will guide you to reviewed resources that can be incorporated into your group WebQuest project. Since we're looking into the definition of life, you'll be taking the concepts developed in the first week of this course and look to the outlier life forms. In this way, your definitions can be adjusted to take into account life at the extremes. Let's look at the National Science Foundation's Extreme Microbes site. This site has a cornucopia of links, many of which are interactive and, as you can see, quite colorful. The site has embedded links to radiation eaters and to extreme environment survivors. One of the nice aspects of this site is its related links, which provide jumps to National Science Foundation supported research in the field. I'd suggest you look at this. There are a number of interactive links in here, as well as some excellent graphics. The next is the NASA Astrobiology Institute. The mission statement from NAI states that the mission of astrobiology is to study the origin, evolution, distribution, and future of life on Earth and the universe. Astrobiology shares with other science-related programs a broad range of research interests. Astrobiology encompasses the understanding of biology as a planetary phenomena, and this includes how planetary processes give rise to life and how they sustain or inhibit life. This site has a number of links within the funded program sponsored by NAI. One of the most useful is the Education and Outreach, which has podcasts, articles, video links, all of which can be embedded or used in the WebQuest. The next is the need for background. So we're going to use the Virtual Museum of Bacteria, which I just love the name of this. The site is a good jumping off point for deeper understanding and analysis of the topic. There are a number of internal links that provide details on the evolutionary process of the earliest forms of life. This site could be a whole webcourse in itself, or a really good place for both background development and for your higher achieving students to gather information. The next site we're going to look at is from Britain. It's the British National History Museum. This is their site on eukaryotes in extreme environments. The nice thing about this is that there are embedded links to the Extremophiles, and the information provided is, since it's a research museum, it's designed mainly around providing information for the layperson. So it's not so scientific or technical that your students will not be able to understand. This is a good place. It also has internal links for more information. The next site is Microbial Life. This is from Carleton College. This site, not only is it well maintained and kept up, but it has embedded web quests. So if you're looking for the opportunity to borrow something that's already made and maybe adjust for yourself, this is a good place for doing that. Also, it has some nice material on current research, which is this Mono Lake piece, as well as activities and background information. This is a very nice site. The last site we'll deal with is the Astrobiology website. Now, much like the British Museum, this is a site that has links. It's a consolidated portal. The only problem is it's not well maintained. So it can give you some good information, but use it with a grain of salt. While there are more sites out there to delve into the definition of life and its extremes here on Earth, these sites should give you a good running start on developing a resource list for your project. Have fun discovering about extreme life forms, and think about the future when the students we teach today become the residents of the Moon, Mars, and beyond.